Hey everyone, this is Alan Hensley, and this is video number 7 in my 10-part series on the 10 steps to prioritize how you save. So step number 7, this is not going to apply to everyone, but if you have student loans and you've already taken care of steps 1 through 6, this is a great time to start focusing on paying off your student debt. So step number 7 is paying off student debt. And this could be consolidating, it could be coming up with a payment plan depending on how many student loans you have. And this also can apply to other debt. Step number 3 was paying off high interest rate credit cards, but maybe you have a car loan or maybe you have a personal loan. Student loans typically have a pretty decent interest rate, but again, we want to wipe the slate clean in terms of debt as much as we can. It's not applicable to everybody, but paying off your student loans, this is something that should make it on the list in ensuring that you've got steps 1 through 6 already taken care of before you start working on this. Again, if you find this interesting, make sure you stick around for the remaining videos. Of course, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks so much.